Today I will talk about how can you change currency on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on it, and you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on currency here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select your currency here in this list on your Temu app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.